Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 19th October 2024, and we have a lot to cover about Tesla's ongoing challenges and developments. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has launched a comprehensive investigation into Tesla's full self-driving FSD system. This comes after a tragic incident where a pedestrian was fatally struck by a Tesla operating in FSD mode under low visibility conditions. The NHTSA is scrutinizing whether the FSD system can reliably detect and respond to pedestrians, especially in challenging weather conditions like fog and sun glare. This investigation is part of a broader probe into 2.4 million Tesla vehicles equipped with FSD software, following multiple crashes, including a fatal one in Arizona. The focus is on the system's performance in low-visibility scenarios, which have been linked to these incidents. Tesla's FSD, still classified as Level 2 automation, requires drivers to remain engaged and ready to take control. Tesla's reliance on a camera-only approach for its FSD system has been criticized, especially when compared to competitors using additional sensors like LiDAR and radar. This investigation could lead to a recall if the vehicles are deemed to pose an unreasonable safety risk. The scrutiny comes as Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, pushes for advancements in self-driving technology amid increasing competition. In December 2023, Tesla recalled over 2 million vehicles to enhance safety features in its autopilot system. The NHTSA is still evaluating the adequacy of that recall. Additionally, the U.S. Justice Department has issued subpoenas related to Tesla's FSD and autopilot systems, indicating ongoing legal scrutiny. In a separate incident, a Tesla driver was reported for allegedly covering the car's windscreen while using the FSD feature on a public highway. This reckless act was captured on video and shared on social media, raising concerns about the effectiveness of Tesla's driver monitoring systems. The incident highlights ongoing discussions about the safety and legality of autonomous driving technologies. Tesla's reputation in Australia is facing challenges, with sales dropping significantly. A recent YouGov survey indicates that Tesla's brand health has turned negative, coinciding with Elon Musk's controversial public persona and acquisition of Twitter, now X. This shift has alienated environmentally conscious consumers, leading to a 12.9% decrease in Tesla sales in Australia this year. In the US, similar trends are observed, particularly among Democratic voters who are increasingly unfavorable towards Musk and Tesla. Despite these challenges, Tesla's board continues to support Musk, approving a record $45 billion executive pay package. Analysts suggest that Tesla's sales decline is not solely due to Musk's reputation, but also due to increased competition and changing demographics in the EV market. The NHTSA's investigation into Tesla's FSD system is its 14th, focusing on the automaker's ability to navigate safely in reduced visibility conditions. The stakes are high, as the outcome may influence investor confidence and Tesla's market perception. A potential recall could require costly hardware retrofits, or the disabling of FSD, impacting Tesla's revenue. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Stay tuned for more updates on Tesla's journey in the autonomous vehicle space. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.